Hello, today we will learn together how to model this in Blender. Let's go. First, we will go to front view here and we will go to curve and bring Bezier curve and we will press RY 90 degree to make this shape here. You can rotate it again like this. You can go to edit mode and make the shape look like this one. After getting this shape, we will go to data and geometry and we will increase the depth a little bit to be like this, and we will convert it to mesh like this. Now we will go to particle system and press plus, and this is emitter right now. We don't need it. Now we need to make it hair, and that you get this shape. This is the number. If you increase it, you see the hair, and this is the hair length. The seed it doesn't important, like make random. And the hair length, we will decrease it to get this shape here, like this. And segment to make it 9. Now you have this shape. To get our model, we need to do two things. The first thing is that we need to cut this hairs down. So we will press Control Tab and go to Particle Edit and go to Cut here. And now we are in edit mode. Just to make sure, and we will delete this. I'll Control Z, I'll delete this. Yeah, here is fine. After I do it, I'll go to comb here and I'll move my hair as I want, like this. You see, just by the mouse, like this. And play with this as you want until you get the shape this is good for you. You can to increase the radius from here if you want, and you can decrease it again. Yeah, I think now this shape is fine. Now maybe we finish our modeling. We will go to render view to see our shape. You see it look like this. You can go to shading here and press shading, and we will change principle to BSDF with the principle here, and we will change the color as we want. Let's say this one here, and that you get it. You can another thing, you can make animation if you want, like if you get a force here, you see what happened. You can decrease it and you can get another one here. You see what happened if you change the force. You can play with the power here. Let's say we'll make it 0.1 and let's remove one of them. We will make it 0.1 and we'll make keyframe here, and we will go to frame 10 and make it 0.4 and keyframe. That you have to keyframe, we will press Shift D to make another, and after this Shift R more than one time until it finished. Now let's see what happened. You see, if we press Alt T linear, this as you like, I just tell you the information. Yeah, you got this shape here. Thanks for watching us and follow us for more.